very lovely people at Let's Resin have been very kind and have hooked your girl up, so to speak. Child, listen, it's a lot. There is one thing in particular in here that I'm very excited to take a little look at, so let's get inside. Hey guys, it's your girl Aisha, and I'm super duper excited because there are a lot of goodies inside of this box here, okay? I can't wait to open them all up and to share them all with you, because in the description box below you will find a cheeky little discount code. Yes, honey, whenever I'm getting hooked up, I do my very best to make sure that you are also being looked after. So if you are a crafty kind of person, then definitely do stick around. Now, I'm a little bit against the clock today, okay, because I've got to go and pick up my child in 20 minutes, so let's see how quickly that we can do this. What I will do is I will do an overlay as I'm talking of all the different things, so that you can see them all like out and nice and flat and everything. So it's not just me just shoving things in your face, okay? So the first thing that is here is the Let's Resin mica powder set. You get 36 colors in this box. How gorgeous is the box though? Like seriously, how pretty. Let's take a look. First of all, let me just put this big hefty box because it's still on my lap. Let me put this down 1 second. Woo! Oh, okay, so they actually do give you 2 sets of gloves as well, because mica powders are messy, all right? It's advisable to wear some gloves with these. Let's check these colors out. Ooh, the first one that I picked up was this gorgeous blue. This is the sky blue one. Absolutely beautiful. What other color am I going to pick out at random? Oh, another type of blue. Blue violet. Oh, look at the sheen on that. Can you see? Hold on. Look at the sheen on that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's see if we can find a warmer color. Oh, fuchsia. Beautiful. I'm going to show you now what all of the colors look like out of the box so that you can see. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I love that everything is really nicely labeled as well. I love that that it's all in a nice sort of compact box, so I can just put this box in a drawer and it's all together. It's not going to like spill out everywhere. I like that. Right, the next thing is actually the thing that I've been waiting to look at for quite some time, so let me just put that to the side. We'll save it to last. When they asked me what I wanted, I actually said I kind of need tools more than anything, so I always need to like replace my tools. One of them being silicone mats. So we now have a very thick looking black silicone mat. Let's have a look at this. This looks massive. Oh my. It's absolutely massive. Oh my god. Like the mat that I normally use is a lot smaller than this. So this is great. This is gonna actually like pretty much cover over my desk. This is what I need. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. It's massive, look at it. It's huge. Well, that's perfect and exactly what I needed. Okay, what's next? We have, okay, so this is the UV resin starter kit. I really like their boxes. They're so pretty and colorful and pastel. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what we have. So in here you get a smaller silicone mat. As I said, I will lay all this out for you so you can see it all properly. You get 200 grams of UV resin in there. I really like their UV resin, by the way. I've been using it for a while. I really like it. You also get a little curing lamp too, and you get a little cup and 2 little stirrers as well, and you get some instructions too. So it tells you like how to use their product and also what you can use it for. So you've got step-by-step instructions right there as well. Awesome. Now on the Let's Resin website, there are plenty of different molds for you to choose from. So if you are new to UV resin, it's probably a good idea to get something like this and then just get yourself a couple of really simple molds. They do actually also have some other kits that come with molds as well. But if you would rather choose your own, then probably just go down that route. Okay, what is next? Next we have, resin kit with various molds. This is the beginner set. So this is how the box looks. Their packaging is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Tools, glorious tools. So we have some pipettes here, which is very good for if you need to sort of not only squeeze resin in, but also draw resin out. Sometimes you can overfill things like your bezels, or maybe just like if you have like small molds and you kind of overestimate how much resin you actually needed. A pipette is a really good way of just like drawing the resin out. So if you haven't got any pipettes in your stash, make sure that you have some. You also get a set of mixing cups. You get 2 large mixing cups and what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4 of the small ones. You also get some gloves and some mixing sticks in there as well. You get 16 ounces of their epoxy resin. I really do like using their epoxy resin. It dries beautifully, so I would highly recommend. You get these gorgeous little flowers as well. I do like using dried flowers in resin. Beautiful. And I mean, I'm not going to say no to glitter, am I? Come on. Glitter! You've got cellophane flakes down this side, and you've got some fine glitter down this side. So this is perfect if you are literally like a complete beginner and you don't have a humongous glitter stash already. This is a great way to get you started. As for the molds, let's have a look at those. Just noticed I've got a couple of bits sticking out of my drawers there. Hold on. Yeah. There we go, that's better. Right. So we have a cube mold here, and we also have a pyramid mold. These molds are sturdy. Oh my god, they're like really hard. I've actually already got this one. We have a beautiful diamond mold. Again, really nice and sturdy. And we have a giant sphere mold. I don't have one like this. So you could use this to make like terrariums maybe. So you can put it together and then fill it all the way in, or maybe you could do it half and half if you wanted to. Can you do it half and? No, you can't, are you sure? Because there's a big hefty hole in the bottom. You can't do it half and half. Don't listen to me. You also get a set of instructions with that as well, just to make sure that you know exactly what it is that you're doing. Next, we have the resin jewelry making kit. Oh, this is one of their gift sets that they have. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's see, because you guys already know that I love to wear everything that I make in it. Like, what have I got on today? I've got on my little Rilakuma ring and my little ghosty ring. Any chance that I get to make something that I can wear, I'll do it. So first up, we've got these lovely molds. These look like earring molds. Okay, this is great because these are actually really nice, simple shapes. So again, if you are a beginner, this is pretty easy for you to be able to cope with. You can use some nice dried flowers in that. You can use some glitter, some cellophane flakes, maybe some gold or silver leaf. You could try some like marbling techniques if you wanted to. You can use alcohol inks. Like, the possibilities are endless when it comes to resin. There are so many things that you can put in resin. So many. But yeah, this is great because I love me some earrings. Brilliant. There's also these ones as well. Some of these shapes are a little bit more intricate, but very cute all the same. You can either use these little ones here for making maybe like a charm bracelet, or you can use them for making some little studs as well. You can make little pendants out of these too. Fabulous. They give you some gloves as well, and they give you, speaking of gold or silver leaf, they give you that too. You've got gold, silver and copper leaf in there. Be careful with that because it does get everywhere. Don't say I didn't warn you, okay? You get a lot in this kit. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you've got some little tassels here that you can put on the ends of your earrings, or maybe even if you were making little key rings or bag charms. And, oh, I like this. You actually get a set of cards here and some little cellophane packages so that you can actually package up your earrings and then go ahead and sell them. How cool is that? If you wanted to start a little, you know, like side business or like a complete actual business selling your resin jewelry, you have a kit to get you started. I mean, hello, this is brilliant. You've also got your earring hooks here. I tend to use clip-on earring hooks myself. They give you different ones. They give you some stud ones and some normal hook ones, and also they give you jump rings in there too. More glitter! We've got some different colors this time, more of the pastel variety. Obviously very much up my street. You can see that there? A whole selection of dried flowers that you can put inside of your little earring molds there. So for tools, we have about 10 ounces here of the epoxy resin, and we have 2 mixing cups, a selection of spoons. I really like these spoons. I have some of these already, and I love them because they are small and they are pastel. And you also get some mixing sticks in there too. And of course you have a set of instructions inside of the box. Now, I know that I very recently made a chest set. Let me actually show you very quickly. If you haven't already seen the video, please do go ahead and check it out. It is the Halloween trick-or-treat themed chest set. Isn't it gorgeous? However, I have actually just been asked to make another one, but with a completely different sort of theme, like purple and milky white and glittery kind of theme. And I wanted to try out the Let's Resin chest set to do that because the molds for their pieces are different. So this is how the chest set comes. There we go. So the actual mold seems pretty much the same. It looked like it had a slightly thinner border on the website, but I think it's pretty much the same as the one that I used. And it also comes with the checkers mold as well. Again, I have already got this one, but the reason why I wanted to get this set was because they've got these much bigger pieces here. Okay, when I show you the overlay of all of this all out, then you'll be able to see these much better in more detail. But these are much bigger, and there's just more of them, so I can do a lot of them all at once. And I just thought that would really make my life a lot easier. I also like the fact that it comes with a whole set of mica powders. So here we have white, blue, pink, black, orange, and green. These really nice and soft kind of like felt bags. How nice is that? Like, what a nice additional touch. Did I have to do that? But they did. Next, they gave me some more tools. So in here I have, I've got some split cups. I have been wanting to try out some split cups for quite some time. So with these, you can pour different colored resin into each section. And then when you do your pouring, it all comes out all nice and like marbly and stuff. So very excited to try these out. We have a split of 3, a split of 5, we have a split of 2, and a split of 4. And these are really big, like that's like a really decent amount as well. Honestly, I feel very, very, very lucky to receive all of this. Thank you so much, Let's Resin gang. This has really made my day. Okay, so the next set of tools that I got, I absolutely love this. I have one of these already, but you can never have too many. This is a gigantic mixing cup, and it's got all the measurements there on the side as well, plus 2 more silicone cups also, and a stirring spatula spreader thing with the Let's Resin embossed on there. Can you guys see that? There we go. And they also sent me another mixing cup set. So these ones are, oh, hello. These ones are the disposable cups here. So if that's what you prefer, then there's a whole load of the small plastic cups. There's more of them in there as well. And you've got the tiny measuring cups here too. You also have a whole load of pipettes, and you've got a whole heap of mixing sticks as well. So those ones are good if you only need to use like little bits of resin and you don't want to be like dirtying up all the silicone ones. You can just use just a little bit in the little plastic ones. Okay, I literally have like 5 minutes before I have to leave, but I'm so excited to show you guys this. Hold on. The resin heating mat. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we all know that epoxy resin typically takes about 24 hours to cure. Not anymore with the resin heating mat. I'm so excited. Let me just quickly crack this open. Oh my goodness, hold on. Okay, so we have a silicone mat that comes with it. And I believe that this is what you put on top of the heating mat when you're working. Ooh, I don't have a clear one. That's nice. It's not as large as as the gigantic black one that I had earlier. Here is the mat. Ooh, it's actually, this is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Hold on, and a lot thinner than I thought it would be. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, okay, so you just plug this in and pop your, well, you do your work on the silicone mat on it, and then when you're ready to cure your resin, then you plug it in. Don't be plugging this in first and working on it as it's getting hot, because your resin will start to cure pretty fast. You want to give yourself as much working time as possible. But how easy is this going to be to store? Like, it takes up literally no space. It's literally like laminated whatever this is. Like, I'm really impressed with how thin that they've managed to make that. That is so cool. Now, in the description box below, I have got different links for different things. Please make sure that you're clicking on the correct links for your country. I have stuff for the US and I have stuff for the UK as well. And I have a separate link for the resin mats. If you do get anything from these links, then a little portion does go to me. So if you would like to support the channel at no extra cost to you, then that would be very kind. Thank you very much. But it's mainly to give you guys a cheeky little discount. Okay, so don't say that Mama Aisha didn't give you anything, all right? Now make sure that you do stay tuned to this channel if you would like to see what I make with all of these goodies. What are you most looking forward to seeing me use? Is it going to be the earring kit? Or is it going to be maybe doing some really cool marbling effects with the split cups? Or maybe you just can't wait to see me make yet another chest set. I really want to see how it cures on this mat. That's what I'm like really excited for. So let me know, do you want to see me do the earrings, see me use the split cups, or see me make yet another chest set? Let me know in the comment section. I just want to say one more massive thank you to the Let's Resin team for literally just like replenishing all the things that I needed. Thank you so much for that, and I'm really excited to try out your new things, especially this heating mat. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.